After your last wahala with police, I no hear from you again. Now I say my come check you. I hope say all is well.
My friend Joe, I don't tire. Every day now they enter problem for street. This my mouth I no just understand. As I dey like this now, solution to my problem I dey think about.
Oh, my friend, no worry. Get one medicine man when I hear say he's strong well. Don't worry, I will carry go there later today. When you go pray over all this your wahala, do some small sacrifice. Everything will be okay for you.
Guy, you sure about this? I hope say this one will be all these fake prophet where they go up and down they scam people. Me, I don't want wahala.
My friend, now the best solution for you is this. The main thing I to try am first. If you no work, we go another place.
No wahala, Joe. Once you're ready, let me know so we go dey stroll go.
Very good, Tom. And now you dey talk. No wahala, make we dey go now. Tom, make we enter motor from here.
No problem, Joe. Dey with you. Joe, I beg, as I dey like this, I no wan make this waka go turn to another thing.
Guy, calm down. No worry. Trust your guy now.
Forget that thing, Jerry. If now you be the person wey dey sleep inside cell every day like me, you go know as I take the feel right now.
Oga, calm down. You know say this your matter na serious spiritual problem. Make we read this man side, make it cleanse you of all these demons wey dey worry your life.
Joe, I hear you. I really hope say this thing go work, cause me I don't tire true.
Don't worry, guy, it go work. I get faith say it go work.
Joe, you like say one boss they come for your side, though.
Washiri, mo enter this one. Boss, abeg stop. Driver, abeg carry us go Lakeside bus stop.
Enter with your change, Joe.
Come, driver. Why your boss rough like this? See as everywhere just scatter anyhow, your chair tear. And your boss come dey smell.
Oh, guy, if you no like the boss, make you come down enter another motor, no be by force, oh.
See this man, oh. You know who I be? Now me be the original Lagos guy for this street.
See this madman, oh. That one na your business, oga.
Take away you, Jerry. Nonsense.
Tom, my guy, just forget about this driver. Concentrate on where we dey go.
Joe, no problem. I hear you. Joe, you get wetin dey my mind wey I wan ask you. How you take care about this Baba sef?
Na Madam Kate Bar, na for there I hear about am.
Madam Kate Bar, where all these small boys dey go drink anyhow. Na beer parlour matter you carry come my house, Joe. He hold me, Lagos guy.
Tom, my guy, na from there all these guys dey go get spiritual help for their business and anything wey they dey do. Na wetin they tell me, and na from them I also get the address of the Baba.
Guy, I dey suspect you. I hope say no be money ritual dey plan use me go do for that place.
See this guy, if I use to do ritual, na how much I wan get from am? You will be say shingban you no get. Just relax. We go soon reach there very soon now. If nothing happen, we go dey go back house.
Okay, Joe, I don't hear you. We go reach there first.
Oh yeah, make una start to dey pass na money for back.
Driver, no go pass our bus stop. We don nearly reach there. See your money, oh. Tom, we go need to cross main road go the other side. Na there the Baba house dey. But before we go, get something wey I need to tell you.
Joe. Since we dey inside motor, you for tell me all these ones now.
See, wetin I wan talk. Say those guys also tell me. Say once we reach Baba place, no matter wetin we see or hear or feel, make we no run, oh. If you run, your brain go shut down, madness go blow, and that madness na follow come.
See this guy, oh. Now for here you come dey tell me that one.
Tom, take am easy now. At least now I dey tell you, make we dey go. Tom, e like say we don reach our destination. Wait, make I quickly call the Baba. Baba, you dey inside? Abeg come outside, oh. Your people wan see you.
Who be that wey dey disturb the great Ogaga? Una wan make I throw madness for una when I go carry go house?
Baba, I never reach like that. Me and my friend here come see you for help.
Oh yeah, make una quickly tell the great ogaga wetin be una problems to make him solve am now.
Baba, na this my friend matter carry us come. Him dey get bad luck for everything wey he dey do. If he do business, he go scatter. If he put hand for investment, the investment go fail. If you get anything wey you fit do for my friend here to help am improve him luck for life, we go really appreciate am.
For the great ogaga, that one a small thing. Mona no worry, just drop something for ground.
Ah, Joe, me I no get any money for hand. How I wan take do am now?
No worry, Tom. I will give you small cash for my hand.
Baba, see the money o. I don put am inside.
E dey okay, my son. Leave am there. Now we don drop something. We go come start the ritual.
No be juju be that.
You see this pot for my hand? I go carry am put on top of your head. You must balance am like that till morning, so that all the witch and wizard wey dey worry you go trap inside. Then me I come destroy am. If the thing fall, you hold on finish o.
The earlier we
Can
realize
you
this,
carry myself come put inside like this?
Tom, as the ritual don start now, me I go dey go house o. But no worry, in the morning I'll come check on you. Make sure say this thing no fall o. If e fall, na shut down for you be that.
Okay, Joe, no problem.
you think say you dey wise. You are a mumu man.
Na wetin be this one I dey hear so? Na police siren be that o. God, me I hope say no be here all these people dey carry their wahala come.
My son, I wan quickly go for back go get something. Yeah, make sure say this thing no fall when they come now.
Our mumu know too much.
This thing is getting louder and louder. When I hear these people dey come. Baba.
Photo.
Hey, even this Baba self don disappear o.
If you move, we light you now.
No be juju be that.
Mr. Tom, na you again? After we just release you yesterday, you still waka come here.
Are you playing?
Hey, guy, tire o. Na person carry me come here o.
No worry, when we reach station, you will explain better. Oh yeah, get up, move.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.